Are you a student and want to start a lucrative side hustle which shouldn't be boring but a bit interesting and earns you a good passive income as well? So you are on the right place. Discover the simplest Fiverr strategy to start earning over $5,000 every month even without any skills using a new AI tool. You can let technology do the work for you, and best of all, it's completely free. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because I am about to share the exact step to make money on Fiverr right now as a student. But let me clear, it's not limited to just students. Anyone can do that. It's that easy. But before proceeding, I'll tell you, no investment is required, no design skill required. It's free. You can do from anywhere in the world. So first thing first, head over to fiverr.com and sign up to create your seller account. Once you're in, navigate to become a seller section and set up your profile. It's quick and easy. Just few basic details. Now let's talk about the service. We'll be offering food product labels. These are customized labels you can see on packaged item like food bottles and condiments. Traditionally, creating these labels required advanced design skill, but not anymore. Thanks to an AI-driven platform, anyone can do it, and I'll show you how. But before we get into it, let's see how much demand there is for this service on Fiverr. Alone, there are over 3,500 people offering food product label design, and the demand is huge. Just check out this Pinterest board with over 10 million monthly views promoting similar services. This tells us there's a massive market for what we are offering. Now let's talk about the tool we'll be using. It's Kittle. It's an AI-driven platform with a range of tools for creating designs. So simply sign up for free. You'll have access to everything you need to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find a variety of design templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your needs and customize it according to your liking. With Kittle's easy-to-use interface, you can adjust text, colors, and elements to create the perfect label. But we're not stopping there. We are also going to create mockups for our labels to showcase them on Fiverr. With Kittle, generating mockups is as simple as clicking a button. Choose a packaging mockup, resize your label, and download the finished product. It's that easy. You can also use Canva, a design tool for creating food product labels. Choose from the template, customize it according to your needs, and voila, you can use it on mockup wherever you like. Now it's time to list your service on Fiverr. Start by setting a competitive price and creating your listings. Don't forget to include extras like logo design to make your service stand out to drive traffic to your listings. Use platforms like Pinterest to showcase your work. With a bit of promotion, you will attract customers in no time. And that's it. With this strategy, you can start making money on Fiverr without any prior skills. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch the dollars roll in.